I think as we discussed, this is Mr. Gent's first offense. He really doesn't have a criminal history. I've had a chance to speak to him in the past about this at length, and, a review of the discovery clearly showed he was very cooperative when they were investigating. The situation that facilitated or precipitated this, rather, came from the national database, not something local, that they were alerted last year. Unfortunately for Mr. Gent, he was in communications with certain people that were sending him things. He would download them, but he would not necessarily realize what they were until they were downloaded. He's only 23 years old. At the time that this happened, I believe he was either 22 or 21. He's extremely remorseful about this, Your Honor. Although he stated he was looking for people that were like him, young, maybe 18 and above, some of these were coming across that were younger that he couldn't always tell. Having said that, Judge, I would respectfully request that you give him a chance. I think that this was the kind of thing where his inexperience just was the result of what happened on this. With that being said, Your Honor, I would respectfully request community control as opposed to putting him in jail.
I was in a bad place, Your Honor. I was obviously not well mentally, very out of character for me. I was not aware of circumstances of what I was doing, not in the right head place, just not well mentally. I'm very out of character.
So here's the thing, Mr. Gent, just so we're clear on this, there's levels of penalties for this. The worst possible penalty being that I sent you to prison for this, which I'm not going to do because that's not appropriate in this. But probation includes jail. And the reason that it does is because this is the kind of case that calls for a punishment. I get that you have mental health issues. I get that this is not the most egregious of these cases to come along, but can't be digging around on these sketchy internet sites and there be no consequence for the things that you do. So what I am going to do is put you into my community control program, and I'm going to do that for a period of 3 years. It indicates that you have to register as a Tier 1 offender for a period of 15 years with in-person verification annually, and I'm going to order that you serve 30 days